Hello, my name is Alex Sanchez. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. The reason I decided to attend the Drone Command Live is because I wanted to explore different avenues in business. Currently own a heating and air conditioning company, and watching the promo to the Command Live was very intriguing. So I believe it was something that I wanted to invest my time into. Um, Currently on a Mavic 2, DJI Mavic 2. I've had it since 2017, have not utilized it any at all. So I decided to take the opportunity, figure out a way to use something I already own that could be profitable. One of the biggest takeaways that I have from the event first day is that I was able to learn different techniques from Diego as far as implementing things into my current business. So, like he said yesterday, you don't have to know how to fly a drone to run a drone business. And with that being said, I made a couple comments in the chat yesterday stating that these were things that I could utilize in business, period. So, like you said, we're not teaching you how to fly drones, we're teaching you to how to run and operate a drone business. What was a great thing about attending the virtually? It allowed me to be able to still be mobile while still being in attendance. I wasn't able to have my camera on all the time because, yes, I still had to kind of run around and work. I had customers calling. I had calls to make, on-site visits yesterday throughout the day. I tried to um, clear my calendar for 3 days just specifically for this. But unfortunately, duty called. And I didn't want to be um, driving and have my camera on and just, so I wasn't able to sit all day with the camera on like I anticipated it initially. But it still allowed me to be able to gather the content and absorb what was going on. So what I ended up doing is just had my phone on hotspot, had a different phone on, had Bluetooth in my ear, so that way I was in tune on what was going on for the entire day. If I had somebody that was on the fence of deciding on what to, if to attend this or not, I would tell them, hey man, it's a life changing experience. So it's something that for me so far, I've learned so much in one day to where I can see potential in this industry soaring. I mean, I can see where I would be able to utilize the training and change my life and be able to potentially employ others to be able to change their lives. So it's a life changing experience to me. If I had to describe Diego and Damon, I would say, hey, these guys are full of life. They're full of character. They both know their stuff. Um, they're basically, you're not stingy because you got people out there in the industries that learn a craft. Uh, they get experience in a craft and then they keep it to themselves. So sharing knowledge is the key to being successful in any industry. And I want to thank you guys again. And hey, man, you have a good day.